Well, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use one WhatsApp account on multiple phones. It could be iPhone or Android. So delete the app and then download it again on the phone that you want to connect it to. And this will force you to log out and then get to this point where you have to enter in a phone number. Go to the top right to the three little dots and go to Link as Companion Device and bring up this QR code. Now on your main phone where you're logged into WhatsApp, go on over to where it says Chats. So once we're on the Chats page, go to the top right and go to the three dots and go to Linked Devices. Then go to Link a Device. And you're going to have to scan this now with your finger. And go on over your phone and scan the QR code. And this is going to link the two devices together. And you'll see on here now, at the bottom, it says device status. I have Android, and Windows. So you can even do this to one of your computers. Then to log it out in the future, you just have to tap it and then go to log out, and this will disconnect it. So it's no longer linked in here. So you can have multiple different phones, iPhones, your computer linked. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSixTech.